Hey guys, Rachel Grabenhopper here with Cosmetics and Toiletries, coming to you from the SCC Annual Scientific Meeting and Technology Showcase here in Los Angeles. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, I'm so sorry, but I want to give you a quick update of some of the topics and themes that we're hearing about and seeing about here on site. I'm here in the Technology Showcase. I don't know if you could see right now. I've got a little bit of the background here. See who else here maybe. I know we'll be covering this in greater depth in some of our reports, but I just wanted to give you a quick update while I'm actually here on site. Number one, hallmarks and longevity is a big one. There was a discussion about looking to supercentenarians and what it is in them that's either expressed or underexpressed that help them live longer. And it really related to CERT6 and FOXO3 genes related autophagy. So that is one. Beauty and health, there's a lot of discussion around that, how beauty does more than just skin deep types of effects. You know, you've got the mental and the emotional kind of wellness aspect that actually kind of spilled over into some mood, beauty, dopamine for skin health discussions as well. Stress was another thing, and the opposing view of that and how that is bad. So that was another emotional kind of / psychodermatology discussion. SciComm, as you might have seen, I was on the panel for scientific communication, a discussion around that and consumer trust and how to build that among brands. Delivery systems is something of interest. This was something from the SciComm discussion. They were talking about, our friends from Chemist Confessions were talking about how there's a lot of interest in exosomes and delivery systems, all kind of related to improving the efficacy of products. There was also a whole session on intimate care related to sexual wellness, lubrication, vaginal wellness, anal health and wellness. So that's kind of a brand new, it's the first time they've done this session, so it was really well received, very busy. A lot of discussion about how to formulate different regulatory considerations. So that was brand new this year. There's a lot of discussion around DEI and inclusion. Also, some different interesting topics related to like looking at hair, scalp, and health, but also for textured hair and the microbiome related to that. And also some very close look at the actual structure of hair of different textures. So that was kind of interesting. A few different times I've heard the term osmolality. One was related to the sexual lubricants, the other for like skin moisturization and consideration of that. So that's kind of a buzzword that I'm hearing right now. AI for formulation, as well as, using it to identify like different microbes to use in terms of treating the microbiome on skin. Also for biomarker identification to find products that might address different things going on in skin. A new one that I heard about was glycosylation on cell membranes. So related to hallmarks of aging, I guess this is something that impacts 6 of them. So finding an active ingredient that addresses those and puts the glycosylation, not glycation, glycosylation, back on track to what it originally was is kind of a new area of focus. I actually related to that too. I mentioned the cell membrane. I heard cell membrane a couple of times too. Obviously that's part of biology and we know it's there, but people are maybe rethinking what it is, what that means. So I think it's worth highlighting. Oh, let's see. Adaptive photoprotection and transformation of like UV to visible light to improve skin health. These are actually sessions I'll see later today. So I haven't heard about them yet, but I'm excited to hear about them. The hypodermis as a target for anti-aging, and there was a discussion about a bioactive to target this deeper layer. It actually used a LEVAN carrier to target stem cells and kind of boost the structure from skin within there to reduce wrinkles, sort of that anti-aging story again. I did mention the mood beauty thing, but related to that, there's mega sugar discussion from, I think it was a marine type of technology that mimics rhamnose that is supposed to, all in all, kind of boost mood and then in turn boosting the mood helps improve skin. If I got that right, I think that's close. Also, I mentioned the scalp and hair texture marks. I'm looking at my loads. One that I thought was kind of an interesting topic too was related to climate and to global warming and how the temperature change, especially to skin, changes how sunscreens penetrate skin. So I haven't seen that one as well. It's on my list to go check out in a while. But I think that is about it for right now. I just hope this gives you a little bit of inside scoop. I appreciate you joining me today. I will write up some longer pieces in the coming days to give you a look at what's going on in beauty and what's coming up around in cosmetics and some of the other big show launches next year. So thank you for joining me. Have a great week.